Yes, I'm super excited today. Guess why I'm this excited? Hey, because my God don't disappoint some people. Hey, 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 hey. Just wins an angelic formation. And just wins like the letters in the sky. Now I know, no matter what's the question, love is the answer, and it's really on it. Just wins. This is my Paco voice. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing well. If you're coming across this face for the first time, or you're coming across my video for the first time, thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Goodness. I'm a mom YouTuber based here in Italy, and please don't be in a hurry to go, and don't go without subscribing. And for my returning subscribers, you guys are so amazing. Thank you for growing this channel with me. I love and I appreciate you all. So guys, let's dive into the video of today. And there are more. Yes, I'm super excited today. Guess why I'm this excited? Hey, because my God don't disappoint some people. Hey, and you can see me. Because my God don't disappoint some people. Yay. So I'm so happy. Like, I'm so dancing right now. I'm in a dancing mood. I'm putting on my dancing shoes. Why? Because some people have been disappointed. Like, people that were rejoicing, happy. Mommy K go born fourth pikin. Mommy K baby number 4 is getting ready. Don't worry, you go born the fourth pikin. You go know how it be. Taking care of 3 kids now. They had, talk of 4 children. So we are so happy. Don't worry, you go born your baby number 4. You go born. They have been disappointed. For as many of you that were happy, for as many of you that were so happy that baby number 4 is on the way, you guys have been disappointed. There's nothing like baby number 4. Hey! So guys, this video I'm going to laugh all through. Why? Because the last video I made, I made a video of I think I'm pregnant, that my pills failed me. So if you've not watched that video, I'll be leaving the link below. So go and just watch the video so that you know why this video is coming up. You understand? Because some people might not understand. They will be like, which one is? Some people are disappointed that baby number 4 is no more coming. If you don't watch that video, you need to go and start from there, because if you don't watch that video, you don't understand why we're doing this video. So I'm actually doing this video to give you guys update about that baby number 4. Yes. So guys, there is nothing like baby number 4. Baby number 4 is not coming. The river that I've been waiting for to flow, that made me do that video, that I was thinking that I was pregnant, the river started flowing after 2 days that I posted that video. So for those of you, even in church, so people were telling me in my ears that, Mommy, can see the way you're dancing, don't go and remove this baby, oh. You people are so funny, seriously. The way I was dancing the last day on youth week in our church, someone said, Mommy K, the way you're dancing now, don't come and remove this baby with photo. The thing about the flow has already started before that Sunday safe. So guys, there's nothing like baby number 4, When I did that video, I actually thought I was pregnant, because I was seeing my skin glowing. Even now, you can see me glowing. Is my skin not glowing? I was so glowing, like my body coming out. You can see my bulbs. Can you guys still see my bulbs? See the way it is. You know, it has added, you know, and I was waiting for that normal monthly flow to come, and it did come that day, you know, and it was actually that day or a day even before that day that it was supposed to come out, but nothing. So the next day I waited, nothing. That was why I made that video. But 2 days later, it's like I made the video on Tuesday now. So on Thursday, I'll be Friday of it, the river started flowing. It even flowed, in fact, overflow. It even overflow. So I want to say a big thank you to so many of you that called. That video, people that have not called me for years, everybody started calling me, even on Facebook Messenger. People, I laugh and laugh and laugh, and the sickness disappeared. And actually, yes, I was kind of sick as well. That was when I was getting sick, adding up, you know, glowing, and I said, this one a pregnancy, you know. And that day, the kind of call that I received, the sickness even disappeared. I laugh and laugh and laugh, and the sickness disappeared. So many people calling, some will say, hey, congratulations, so, but how you want to do this thing now? 4 children. Now, those won't be my people. No, those won't be my people. They actually know what I'm going through with 3 kids already, 3 little kids, you know, and they will be like, hey, Mommy K, how you want to do now? 4 children, how will you cope? Now you guys need to change so many things. You need to change your car. How will you cope? You know, so we're praying that prayer for me. This thing should come out too, because we don't need the baby now. While some were just happy. Congrats, our 4th baby is on the way. Our 4th baby is on the... Those ones that were just like, they feel for me. Those are when they feel for me. Now they be my people. God go bless you. No, I know myself. I don't want to mention names. God bless you all. So many of you that called, you know, even the one that called, that didn't call, they were unable to call, but the same messages. God bless you. Thank you. You guys show me a lot of love. The ones that called said they need the baby, and the one that called that we don't need the baby for now. I love every one of you. I love you all. And when that decay came, that decay were like, baby number 4, for wishes, you know. When that came that weekend, no, it was not even when he came. We talked on phone that evening, you know. He called me that evening and we spoke on phone, and he was like, I saw your video. I never want to follow you talk or Richards. So if baby number 4 is coming, it's YouTube family that will know before me. That was what he asked. So it's YouTube that was supposed to find out that baby number 4 is coming. I said, because I don't know if it's true now. So I don't want to tell you now that baby number 4 is coming, and at the end of the day it's a lie or something. So I just want to do that video first so that you find out from there. He said, no, wahala, make the baby number 4 come. You go and start fabrica work and join me doing this work to take care of that baby number 4. Actually, and he said, you forget our plan, Abi. And I asked him, so does it mean we're not going to give birth to another child? He said, yes, definitely we will, but not now. I said, okay, fine, because me, I never born finish. I'll born again, but not now. I will add to these kids. My mom gave birth to 9 kids. 9. 6 boys and 3 girls. And my dad, 16 children. So, it be like say, now our bloody day. So, it be like say, now our bloody day. So actually, the tea, I don't even know. And the doctoressa that gave me the pills, that introduced the pills to me, also called me that evening. She laughed and laughed, and she said, Mommy K, now this is your video. I don't enjoy past all the video when you don't do. And I was like, are you serious? She said yes. That she laughed and laughed when I hold out Ugbeba, and I was warning her, Madam, look for solution. She said she laughed so hard. So she called me that evening and she was like, Mommy, how did it happen now? How did it happen? Did you not take it or I said immediately you meet your husband, you should take one. Even if you forget to take one, you take one the other day. And I said, but he said, how long now? did you meet your husband? I said, like, the last one was like 5 days ago. Whether not that one jam, I've been at the old meeting, night jam. I don't know, but it's like something jam now because the flow is, nothing is flowing and it's supposed to flow. She said, okay, this is what you would do. Is a pill. It's not an abortion pill or something. It's just a prevention pill. So she said I should take 2 that day. So I should just take 2, and I took 2. And he said if it's pregnancy, it will work because it's not an abortion pill. But if it's delayed, maybe it's delayed. If you take 2, it will force it out. Maybe after a day or 2, which I did. So that evening, before I went to bed, I took 2 of the pills instead of 1 when you meet. But that I didn't even meet. I was alone at home. I just took 2 as the doctoressa instructs me. Oh, now my doctoressa. So I took 2 of the pill, and after 2 days, the river started to flow, overflow, worry the river. So thank you so much. I just want to use this video, you know, to say thank you for those of you that were waiting for baby number 4, and those of you that also said, Mommy K, it's too early now. You will not have time to do your video well. You will not have time for yourself. God go bless you now, my sister. Now know my pains. Now here I keep on for my heart. God bless you. It's not easy. Throughout that night, I did not sleep. I was thinking of it. I said, God, I will not carry another pregnancy. 1 more, 2 more, 3 more, till 9 months. This baby down, this body that I'm doing everything. Look at my tummy. You just see my tummy. I'm doing everything to make sure that this tummy goes back. Then the tummy will not push out again 9 months. Then after that, I will now wait for the baby to get to a year. Because normally stop breastfeeding from 1 year. Kayla stopped breastfeeding when she was 1 year and 2 months. Baby Keto stopped breastfeeding at 1 year and 4 months. It's only Kamara that breastfeeded for just 9 months. So now, I will now wait for after 1 year before I start to work on my body again. So men, when not like fat people, you don't know. Now the kind of man want to marry. Now tiny people like this, they like, you have to be tiny. You know, if I'm at home now, you can't come in, tell me, say, Mommy K, I see your husband with 1 girl. I can't say, how the girl will be the girl. You can't just describe her. The girl get big nyash, he get big bobs, he get body. I'll say, nah lie, not be my husband, you see. But if you tell me, say, hey, now 1 tiny small girl, I go tie a power and follow you come answer because if it be true, because they like them tiny. So God bless all of you. I don't want this video to be too long. I just want it to be a very, very short video. So my doctoressa, thank you so much. Oh, it works. I will not narrate you again that the pills is not working. The pills work magic. So if you also need the pills, if you know my doctoressa, call her. Or you call me for the pills. The pills work like magic. So thank you so much. Now I'm back to myself. You know, I'm still working on myself. I'm working on myself. I'm still working on myself. So I don't want anything that will make me grow big because I want to be tiny. Since a guy like them tiny. Thank you so much for watching this video. I don't want to waste your time. So just to let you guys know that you should take that thing off your mind. Don't expect baby number 4 this year from the K Squad family. Maybe 5 years time or 7 years time. Who knows? If God permits, you know. Thank you so much for watching this video. We love and appreciate you. If you like the video, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up and share our video. Tell people about us. And if you've not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe so you can be part of this beautiful, amazing family. See you all in our next video. Bye-bye.